Hello and welcome to Making Videos on YouTube for Busy E-commerce Store Owners. In this video, I'm going to show you a major problem beginner e-commerce stores face, and I'm going to give you a solution that you can use to make videos that get results and target your ideal customers. In a moment, I'm also going to show you this solution in action so you can implement and start making profits. One of the issues that people have with making YouTube videos is that they take too long to make. You have to do a lot of prep work, then there's the filming aspect, and then there's the editing. Now, if you look at an example, let's take Mr. Beast. So he spends months working on his titles and thumbnails. He then, after those titles and thumbnails pass a process where multiple people will look at these titles and thumbnails, they'll begin getting the materials to film the videos, so building the sets and the props. And then for most of his videos, he has people that aren't his original team, so he goes out and hires people. And then when he films, he has multiple day shoots. I think the one I remember when he did that, the last to stay in the circle video, I think he filmed for 3 days, maybe even 4. So he has multiple day shoots, and then there's his editing process where he optimizes every second and he gets second opinions. But is this the only way to succeed on YouTube? We're all running e-commerce businesses. We don't have the time to sit around and make YouTube our full-time business. We got things to do. So is there another way? So we're going to create YouTube videos that are going to target our audience, the audience that is about to buy our product. We're going to get our YouTube videos ranked in Google, where all of our audience is searching. And then at the end of those videos, we're going to provide a link that leads people to our e-commerce stores. So let me show you this solution in action.
Imagine I'm looking for a solution to strawberry legs. I look at the carousel in Google and choose a YouTube video. The video is a simple tutorial of how to wash my legs and with what products. In the description, she listed all the products she mentioned in her video. It probably took her a few hours to film and edit this. We don't need crazy elaborate videos, the simpler the better. You don't even have to show your face.
Leave a comment below. When you look at your competitors, are any of them on YouTube? And what kind of things are they doing? I'm making more videos on the problems facing new e-commerce businesses, so subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notified when the next video is available. I really hope you enjoyed, and in the next one I'm going to be talking about how you can become a YouTuber without being a YouTube personality.